Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another alternate build made in the 75347 Tie Bomber. Yeah, that's the and I don't know how much longer I can keep on making the emphasis for another. But today I'm going to make the Tie Avenger from Andor Season 2. Which honestly I've not watched. I've still not watched it yet. But I do think that the Thai gaming does look awesome. So we'll dive right in. So a unique thing about this Thai Fighter is the fact that, or at least I think this is the prototype version, but on the outside of the wings, it's actually light grey, and the outside and inside is actually where the black parts are. So yeah, I want to make sure I include as much detail as possible. Since from the reference images I've seen, it looks like there's a lot of like rebuilding, like it's like very detailed. With like the light grey, dark grey, and I did these red transparent red 1x1 ground tiles just because I think they look quite sharp. And yeah, in the middle, I used that printy piece. I do wish that I could have gotten a bit of a better angle for the wings, but the thing is, I couldn't get one that kind of exactly that looked more accurate. It's like because if I did try rearrange these and slider pieces, but went too far in, and I felt it also goes too far in. So I just settled with this, which it looks fine, but I just wish I could have gone a bit better. So if you look over in the main center area, I'll just fold open the wings so you can see a bit better. Yeah, it's got the stud shooters. It's also got the bits of armor here on both sides. Also, same thing at the back. I think these are more like vents. Also, it's got the gradual design, so it goes up into the main body. And for the windscreen, we can open it up, and I forgot to put the stuff on this side. But yeah, there's a bit of a larger interior than the other ones. That's because the main body is quite modified compared to previous versions. You've got the hatch up on top. And yeah, there is a loading ramp, but it doesn't actually it doesn't properly work like this but I wanted to include the loading ramp. I don't know, I may actually be able to, if the wings are folded out like this. Almost, actually. It's actually not even that far off. But yeah, and you can actually, if you have this front hatch open, you can actually see through the whole build. You could probably, I don't think you wouldn't be able to store like a minifigure back here, but maybe like some sort of little container, like a little crate. And you fold this back up. And I want to make sure that under here is kind of much rounded off as possible. And if you followed him somewhere, like like in the base width for like the center area was a bit wide. Like this area is actually I think I think it's either one or two studs wider than even like the wider version for the base. Because it's the Tie Avenger in universe it's very wide, and I noticed that when I put the thing to prototype together, and I was like, wait, that does not look wide enough, so I had to go back to the drawing board, and I got this. And that's everything for the sorting about. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, since it really helps the channel a lot. And I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.